Hi guys, here we are. We are in Hope, Sunny City. That them call it? Sunny City or Sunshine City? Whatever it is. But we are here. We have some deliveries. Young man who appear to be a shopaholic. We don't mind. As a matter of fact, we love it. Hey, what's up, Travis?
Afternoon, I'm good.
Afternoon. You good?
Yeah.
Your man look shy all of a sudden. Feeling shy?
Something like that.
Something like that. Okay, alright. So I guess I shouldn't get a lot of trouble then. So I can't ask you who, arguably, who's your favorite or the most rated DJ ever?
Overall, the dancehall.
Yeah, dancehall.
Honestly, would have been ladies overall.
What? Did you hear that? He said ladies song. I am totally blown away with that response. I swear to you, I'm totally blown away. I thought you would do the cliche thing and say
Start from ever since.
but Marian Hall is the boss. Though.
Right, true.
Marian Hall is the boss. I like the quality. I like the you know, the depth of thought you put into it.
Yeah.
For real. I like the fact that you're a customer that ships a lot also. How will you find the service so far though?
Exceptional, honestly.
Exceptional.
Especially the customer service since October last year when everything started. No complaints.
No complaints?
None. None overall.
And if you do have a complaint, will you share it with us though?
Yeah, but none that they know.
Not forcing you to find one, but we appreciate the fact that you came on board and you're liking the service and we want you to make reference to, you know, friends and family. Tell them about the good things.
All the time.
Share the good things, you know. Alright, next thing, are you a platinum customer?
I think so. I think we just signed up last year.
Okay.
I'm not sure though.
You're not sure?
I think they do it.
Alright, you might need to recheck it. Because you know Platinum Day is coming up and you need to reap all the benefits of Platinum Day. Very important. What is it that you do though? Like a student with just one heap of hair on his face. My son try to grow some hair and them can't grow none in it.
Customer service for Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay. How long now?
About 6 months.
About 6 months? You like it?
Yes. Honestly good so far, even though sometimes I might have a few customers where I can't really go around.
I know about customers.
It's very hard.
Okay.
Overall it's good.
Overall it's good.
Overall.
Yeah, alright, that's good. And that's what you intend to do for how long? Long-term thing?
No, not overall not sure.
Yeah.
But it's not really the long-term goal. But not trying to get too comfortable with go over a certain time.
Right.
Like the 6 months now, it wasn't originally 6 months really planned to stay.
Yeah.
But when I want it to go over a certain time.
Yeah, I understand because you have other things you want to do.
Exactly.
I'm sure bigger dreams are in the picture.
Much bigger dreams.
You dream in colors, you know. You have to dream in colors. That's the only way. Dream the biggest dream. Dream in colors is the only way you actually get where you want.
That's true.
And push. Get up every day and push. Live your best life every single day. Anyway, not here to lecture. Enjoy the rest of your day and thanks a lot for doing business with us.
You're welcome.
Alright, big up yourself.